Ever gazed up at the night sky and caught a glimpse of a meteor shower? One of the most remarkable celestial events is the Eta Aquariid Meteor shower. This annual spectacle is a result of the Earth passing through the dust trail left by Halley's Comet, one of the most famous comets in human history. As the Earth travels through this trail, tiny pieces of debris, no bigger than a grain of sand, collide with our planet's atmosphere at high speeds. Upon impact, these small particles burn up, creating the bright streaks of light we see from the ground. This fascinating interaction between cosmic debris and Earth's atmosphere is what gives us the Eta Aquariid Meteor shower. Named after the star Eta Aquarii in the constellation Aquarius, the Eta Aquariids are known for their speed. These meteors enter our atmosphere at a whopping 66 kilometers per second, making them one of the fastest meteor showers observable from Earth. The Eta Aquariid meteor shower is best visible in the southern hemisphere, where stargazers can expect to see between 30 to 40 meteors per hour. However, those in the northern hemisphere can also catch this show, albeit at a slightly diminished rate. Observing this meteor shower doesn't require any special equipment. A dark sky free of light pollution and a comfortable chair are all you need. And while a basic telescope can enhance viewing, it's not necessary. All you need to do is look towards the constellation Aquarius and wait for the show to begin. In summary, the Eta Aquariid Meteor shower is an annual event caused by Earth passing through the dust trail of Halley's Comet. This meteor shower is characterized by its high speed and is best viewed in the southern hemisphere, although it can also be seen from the northern hemisphere. To watch this celestial event, all you need is a clear, dark sky and a bit of patience. So the next time the Eta Aquariids are due, why not take a moment to look up and appreciate this cosmic spectacle?